Are you looking for a single family home in the South Bay for $1 million? Well, you're in luck. I'm going to take you on a tour today. So today I'm going to take you on a tour of a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,600 square foot single family home in the North Torrance neighborhood. And this home is listed just under $1.1 million. It's located on a 5,000 square foot lot, and North Torrance is bordered by Redondo Beach, Central and Old Torrance, Lawndale, and Gardena. And if you want to know all about the North Torrance neighborhood, I'm going to link a tour above so you can dive into that. So this home was purchased last June for $865,000, and they did a complete renovation on it, and now it's listed just under $1.1 million. You're located in a great school district, so you'll, if you have children, they'll go to Lincoln Elementary, Casimir Middle, and North High School. And the good thing about the North Torrance neighborhood is you're very close to the beach, so you're about 5 miles away. You're 2 miles from the South Bay Galleria, which is being renovated, and you're Redondo Beach adjacent. But the median home price for January 2023 in North Torrance was, for a single family, was $970,000, whereas in North Redondo Beach, the median sale price was $1.7 million. So if you've been priced out of Redondo, Hermosa, Manhattan Beach, you can come to this area, get into a good school district, still have all the amenities that the South Bay offers because you are close to the freeways, you're close to shopping, you're close to restaurants, but you don't have that huge price tag. So now we're gonna take a look through the house. So you do have a very open floor plan. I would say the staging in this home is not the best. I don't think it maximizes the potential of the home, but you have a very large living space. You could put a sectional, a television. Over here, you could put a bar, a long dining table. So you would have plenty of space to entertain. And you have, the kitchen is a great size too, so you have a very wide path here in the kitchen. You do only have under the counter cabinets, so they didn't put any cabinets over top. You have some open shelving, but it would be very easy to add the cabinets if you wanted to do that. And you have new appliances, of course, new countertops. You have the farmhouse sink, and over here is going to be your laundry space. So they put some open shelving here. You have some cabinets underneath. This is your refrigerator, so they did not include that in the sale of the home, but that's pretty common in a lot of flips. And in this home, you have 4 bedrooms. So you have 2 bedrooms in the front of the house, and then you have the primary and an additional bedroom in the back of the house. And the bedrooms are not staged, but we can check them out, and they are nice sized bedrooms. You also have a bathroom over here that you would share, that these bedrooms would share. The only bedroom that has a walk-in closet is the primary bedroom, but they're your basic closet. And you have this bathroom that you would share. You have the new vanity, double sink. So you have a very deep bathtub. I think you would want to put some glass or something up to make sure that you can get a shower in here as well. And then here is another bedroom. It's not quite as big as the bedroom that we just saw, but it's still a nice size. No walk-in closet, but a good kids room, or one could be used as an office as well. And then here is the 3rd bedroom. It's right next to the master. Good size, okay closet, your standard bedrooms. This is one tip that I will have for anyone selling their house. Just stage it, spend a couple thousands of dollars. It will really make people resonate with your home and envision themselves living there, because it's hard to imagine space without staging. And here is the primary bedroom. So you have an ensuite bathroom, and the bathroom has a nice size shower. It's not a huge bathroom, but it's a sufficient bathroom. The primary it's a good size. You have a little space over here that could be a sitting area, or you could put a desk here, an armoire, whatever you'd want. And you do have a walk-in closet here. It has not been built out yet, but you can definitely build this out and have an awesome closet over here. And it's nice that you have direct access to the backyard. And they did put a deck out here, which is really nice. And you have the new sod out here, and they also put a pergola as well. So I would stain the fence over here and the privacy fence as well, make it look a little nicer, get some bistro lights, nice little fire pit. It's a good size yard and a good size space out here. Thank you so much for joining us on our tour. If you have any questions about this property or any other properties in the Torrance or LA area, all of our information is in the description below. And if you're looking for new construction in the North Torrance area, we have 6 new construction properties that are currently under construction. I'll link our interest list below so you can check that out. And remember, whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, send us an email, shoot us a text, or schedule a Zoom. All of our information is in the description below. We'd love to help you make a move to the South Bay or LA area.